Salam, hello, I'm ViVi. In 2023, I will be showing you 23 luxurious places you don't want to miss. Number 2 in the list is the new Waldorf Astoria CANCUN, which it will be a mini-series starting with the room tour, and in the next videos I will be reviewing the food, the spa, the hotel experiences, so stay tuned and subscribe if you would like to see more. As soon as I found that the Waldorf Astoria was opening a new hotel in Cancun, I booked a trip. The hotel opened in November 1st, 2022. The facilities are beautiful. Our room number was 531. It was a deluxe oceanfront 2-queen guest room. During check-in, I inquired if there was a higher category with 2 beds because I did not see anything else during the booking. But more of that later in the video. The room is 675 square feet with a plunge pool. When you enter the room, you are met by an artsy divider between the door and the 2 beds and a beverage station. They have Nespresso coffee, so I felt just like at home since I love Nespresso. And the minibar was actually in the drawers, so in one side you would find all the beverage in the minibar, and in the other side on the right you have your other ingredients to prepare coffee, and you also had snacks and some other items like cups and tea. Okay, back into the room. The room had a cozy feel. I fell in love with the materials that they used instantly. The living room was comfortable, and the dining area also was very functional. Although it only had 2 chairs, we didn't have any problem for a family of 4. I love so many aspects of this room. I love the double sinks and all the exquisite marble flooring. I was taking pictures of the floors, the walls, and just touching all the textures in the room. The shower opens to the balcony where you find an outdoor bathtub. So they call it a plunge pool. It's just for the size. Let's just say it's a bathtub, but it was so nice. The kids really enjoyed that feature, especially when it was raining outside. We just ended up in the room and letting the kids swim in our little pool. One of the things that I love is that you can actually open and close the blinds from your bed, and you could also close them manually, so you just start pulling them and they will close and open automatically from there. It was really nice. The closets had enough storage space, and they had basic items like the bathrobe and the sleepers, but only for the adults. It was just like a one-size-fit-all. In the room, you will find this beautiful Mexican beach bag, which is not complimentary like other Waldorf hotels that they give you a bag to use during your stay, and at the end you can take it. So if you take it home, you will be charged to your room approximately $50. Just something to note. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay in this room. The interior decor was the highlight for me. I absolutely loved the shower. Be careful though, when you come out of the shower, the marble floor is super slippery. The 4 of us actually slipped. But anyways, let's just take a moment to appreciate the view from the balcony. This is the view at sunrise. You can see that some hotel guests were attending a yoga class. Like, how lovely. I wish I didn't forget my gym clothes like just to be part of it. It was absolutely amazing. Now let's talk about the other kinds of rooms for a family. I inquired upon checking if they had a little bit better, so I wanted to pay the difference for a higher category, but I was told that there was only one other suite that was a little bigger. It was the swim up pool 2-queen guest room. In this suite you have a pool, so you have your bathtub and then you have also like a plunge pool, but you don't have the ocean view, but you have more privacy. And as a Muslim family, we love our privacy as it's something very important, so I wish that this was available. They told me they only had one and it was occupied. I also saw in the website the presidential suite, which obviously it is much bigger and way more expensive. The presidential suite, it has a starting price of $6,513 per night, which has 2 bedrooms, but has 2 plunge pools and multiple balconies. Look at these pictures, it's just gorgeous. So that's something that if it is within your budget, that you should consider. Coming up soon, I will be releasing a video about the food at the Waldorf Astoria CANCUN and more about the hotel in general, activities, and how fitting is for a family that likes to travel in luxury. Salam and subscribe if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful.